Good morning. This is the fourth video related to chapter 3, the name of which is Goodwill, Nature and Valuation. In the previous three videos, we had discussed the meaning of goodwill, factors affecting goodwill, methods of valuation of goodwill. Then the first method, simple average profit method, was discussed in the second slide, and in the third slide PPT or video we had discussed weighted average profit method. Now in the fourth video and PPT we are going to discuss the third method of valuation, that is super profit method. Now what is the meaning of super profit? Super profit is the profit earned by the business in excess of normal profit. Say generally in a particular industry the normal rate of return is 15%, and a particular industry is earning more than 15%, then that excess profit above 15% will be known as super profit. So super profit is the profit earned by the business that is in excess of the normal profit. So the formula for calculating super profit is actual profit or average profit minus normal profit. Now actual profit or average profit will be mentioned, and normal profit we will calculate by multiplying normal rate of return with the amount of capital employed. Now capital employed can be calculated by finding the difference between asset minus liabilities or the total of capital and reserves. I am repeating, capital employed can be calculated using first method, asset minus liabilities, total assets minus total external liabilities. Okay, that will be capital employed, or from the liability side, capital plus reserves. Okay, capital employed, that will be mentioned in the question, and as the question comes we will discuss this in detail. So normal profit is calculated by multiplying normal rate of return with the amount of capital employed. Now goodwill, super profit we have calculated, and we have calculated in the question number of year purchase will be mentioned. So goodwill is super profit multiplied by number of year purchases. Now let's take one illustration. There are three partners and whose total capital is 1 lakh rupees, and the normal rate of return is 15%, market rate of interest 15%, or we can say normal rate of return is 15%. 3 years profit is mentioned, 30,000, 36,000 and 42,000. With the help of these 3 years profit we can calculate the average profit. Goodwill is valued at 2 year purchase of the last 3 years super profit. So first we have to calculate normal profit with the help of these two information, then average profit, and the difference between average profit and normal profit will be our super profit, and that will be multiplied by 2 to get goodwill. First step, we will calculate normal profit. Capital employed is 1 lakh rupees and normal rate of return is 15%. 15% of 1 lakh is 15,000 rupees. So normal profit in this case is 15,000 rupees. Now average profit, total of the 3 years profit 30,000, 36,000 and 42,000 divided by 3, we will get average profit as 36,000 rupees. The total is 1,08,000 divided by 3 is 36,000. So now applying the super profit to calculate super profit, the formula will be average profit minus normal profit. 36,000 minus 15,000, that is 21,000 rupees. Super profit is 21,000, and goodwill is valued, the number of year purchases given in the question is 2. So super profit multiplied by 2, 21,000 multiplied by 2, the goodwill of the firm is 42,000 rupees. Normal profit, capital employed multiplied by normal rate of return, so 1 lakh multiplied by 15% is 15,000 rupees. Okay, average profit is 30,000, total of the 3 years profit divided by 3, that is 36,000 rupees. Super profit will be calculated by finding the difference between average profit and normal profit. 36,000 minus 15,000 is equal to 21,000 rupees. Goodwill is 2 years purchase of super profit. 21,000 multiplied by 2, it is 42,000 rupees. Now we will take one more illustration. Here the balance sheet is given. Okay, there are two partners A and B, and their profit sharing ratio is equal. They have decided to admit C for equal share. Okay, so 1/3 share. The goodwill of the firm is valued at 4-year purchase of super profit. Now balance sheet is mentioned. Capital A's capital is 90,000, B's capital is 50,000, reserve is 20,000. The total of asset is 1,90,000. Normal rate of return 12%, and average profit for the last 4 years is 30,000. Okay. Now see, we can calculate capital of the total capital of the firm as using the capital and reserves total. So 90 plus 50 plus 20, it will be 1,60,000. Other method is asset minus liabilities. The total of asset is 1,90,000 minus total liabilities, external liabilities 30,000. So 190 minus 30, it is 160. In both the cases, capital employed is 1,60,000. Now see, capital of the firm. Here I have used the first method, that is capital plus reserves. 90 plus 50 plus 20. So capital of the firm is 1,60,000. Normal profit is capital employed into normal rate of return. Normal rate of return given was 12%. So 12% of 1,60,000 is 19,200 rupees. Super profit formula is average profit minus normal profit. Average profit according to the question is 30,000, and the normal profit we had calculated 19,200. So the difference 10,800 rupees is the super profit. Goodwill is valued at 4-year purchase of super profit. 4-year purchase of super profit. 10,800 multiplied by 4. So the firm's goodwill is 43,200 rupees. Okay, again repeating. Capital employed, capital of partners plus reserves. So 1,60,000. Normal profit is 12% of 1,60,000, that is 19,200. Super profit formula is average profit minus normal profit. Average profit according to question is 30,000. 30,000 minus 19,200 is 10,800. Goodwill is valued at 4 times, or number of year purchase is 4. So super profit multiplied by 4, 43,200 is the value of firm's goodwill. Now 2 similar questions I have given you for practice. Okay, all of you please practice these questions. If you have any doubt, you can message me or you can call me. If you are doing it late, then also you can call me. Okay, if you are not doing it today itself, if you are doing it tomorrow, then also don't hesitate to message me.